everyone. SEED 2022 application process is currently underway. You can fill the SEED application form latest by October 17th. In this video, we will show you the step-by-step procedure to fill the SEED 2022 registration and application form. So let's get started. Firstly, visit the official website of SEED, which is www.seed.iitb.ac.in and click on the Registration Portal tab. Go through the details given on the page and click on the Register button. Enter the email ID with which you want to register for the exam. Click on the Register button. Click on the activation URL sent on the email ID. Once done, you can proceed towards filling the registration form. Enter all the personal details in the registration form, such as name, date of birth, gender, mobile number, address, and nationality. You also need to enter a login password at this stage, which you should retain with you to log into your registered account for all the future endeavors. Enter the captcha code and click on the Register button. After this, your first step of SEED registration will be complete. Next, click on the Go to SEED homepage button and click on the Login button. Log in with your registered email ID and password. Once logged in, the SEED eligibility check window will appear on the screen. Fill all the details asked, such as qualifying exam, year of passing, and mobile number. Click on the Mobile Verification button. Enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number in the space provided. Click on the Mobile Verification button again. After this, your mobile number will be verified successfully. Check all the pre-filled details in the application form. Thereafter, enter your educational details such as qualifying exam, year of passing, and institute and university name and address. Also select the 3 cities in which you wish to give the examination in order of priority. Click on the Save button. If you wish to make any changes to the application form, you can also click on the Back button. Check all the details filled in the application form and click on the Confirm button. On the next page, upload the scanned copies of your photo, signature, and qualifying exam certificate. It may be noted that all the documents should be uploaded only as per the specifications given on the page. You can also see the sample photo and signature for reference. Once all the documents are uploaded, click on the Upload Documents button. Check all the details entered carefully. Click on the checkboxes given at the end of the page and click on the Proceed button. Go through the payment related details on the page and click on the Make Payment and Submit button. After this, you will be redirected to the payment gateway of the page, where you need to pay the prescribed fee in online mode and complete the application process. Once the application fee is paid successfully, a payment receipt will be generated that must be saved for future references, if any.